Alright, so I got the valve cover off. The first thing I found is a lot of slack because it has this new design two-piece valve spring. Super sweet. So let's see what's wrong going on with the valve. Alright, so I hooked my leak down back up, and shout out to these valve blocks, by the way. They are holding on for dear life. I pulled this up manually and put my air back to it, and now I'm really torn because every part of me knows that this cylinder head needs to come off this motor. Every part of me, but I so want to put a push rod in it that's not curvy like a back road, and a new valve spring, and just see if it'll drive. Alright, so I got my cylinder head off. Surprising to me, this is what it looks like. This is where all of our problems were with the bent push rod. And our new two-piece valve spring. So anyway, I did a leak down on this thing, and of course whatever I was blowing in, it was leaking out. So I grabbed it right here and manually closed the valve, and it would hold. Like I put 80 in, I think the exact number was 82 in, and it would hold 80, 81, somewhere in there. I know better though than to try to run this. It was really tempting. My friend asked me if this was an interference engine, and I said, yeah, it is now. But it left just the slightest mark on the top of the piston. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna clean this thing up and take it to a machine shop and have them pull a vacuum on it and see. And worst case scenario is replace the valve spring, get a push rod that's straight instead of bent, and replace the valve.